We're throwing a party for like literally 100 people. Okay, we found glasses. That's one. Some shopping done. And oh, let's go! An event rep also includes washing. Outfit check. Okay, all the food is set up. Basically, there's too much food left and they've come to pick it up.
She calls me day and night.
Welcome to the vlog wherein we're throwing a party for like literally 100 people. This is the setup and I feel very motivated, so I'm just walking and thinking of content ideas. It's raining, I don't know why. Having a meeting, guys, literally started at 10:50 and now it's 11:47 is done. It's 12:30. I should really be getting ready to go at 1 p.m. to shop for the Eid festival, but I'm just creating the content pillar because I think since I'm already working on it, might as well just get done with it. Okay, final content calendar is ready and it's still raining. I should really rush and eat food because I need to go shopping for the event that I'm organizing. Let's go. Change of plans and change of outfit because Raat ko I have to go for badminton. But basically, I am going to have lunch. I'm going to get chola bhatura. Apparently, this today, Eid Mubarak, you guys. I'm obviously going to post this after 4 months, so never mind. So, guys, clock tip is the wipe from now on. I'm sorry, but it just makes me feel like a boss. Like, oh my god, what? Oh shit, I literally have ink on my phone because I was working with my pen, whatever. Okay, Abhi, we're gonna rush home and go for the shopping part. I love how productive today has been. So much noise. Even though I wasn't able to study like at all, but it's fine because I got something done for business, which is like it's like once you set it, then it just becomes like a system. So I set the system. So let's look at the flowers. So pretty. Okay, so we're in Home Bargains. Amitosh. This is Amitosh, you guys. And we need 110 ka le le, in fact. Cutlery to hai. So cutlery, there are no glasses. I don't know where to find it. Okay, we found glasses which look like beer gloves. And then we're taking decoration saman. Okay, we also got this, what is this called? Plates. We still need spoons. So let's see. How are you feeling about the Eid festival? Please give your interview. Free food. Finally getting the billing done. You know what? I'll mute this part. You guys, we got the cutest bags. Shopping done. And we're going out. Oh, sorry, yeah. We need cutlery, so we're going to Iceland a bit. We got some marshmallows as well for no reason, but look at how cute these packets are. We're in Iceland, by the way. And Amitosh has gone to... Oh, Amitosh is there with Nutella. We've got this stuff. Where is your... Okay, yeah. We're going to keep this and then we're going to go get spoons and Coke. Look at Mario. The view is so nice. We got Coke. Amitosh, Coke dikha do, bro. We got that many Coke.
Eid Mubarak, y'all! Eid Mubarak!
Yeah, these people, they're literally having like a picnic. That's so sweet. Summer is... I'm in the meadows right now. Basically, we're setting up the tables. I'm just gonna go help Amitosh quickly, but I thought I'll start the work. I literally got balloon fillers for the event. So we're trying the balloon filler machine. Amitosh is on the go. And this is the decoration stuff.
You should have been.
Oh, let's go!
अरे मेरे को पता ही लगा बंद कौन सा है चालू कौन सा है.
Anjwath is not that aesthetic after all. This part. Do you want to explain? Please go on.
Yeah, fucked. These need solar light to work.
Yeah.
And
Basically, they need solar energy. Exactly. So, good stuff for us though. Okay, so basically we will go and wash this, but we've set a table. Okay, we set a table so that it doesn't drop. And these are the cups. Pepsi, we need to get more. These bulbs did not work. And this set. Done. It's set. The keg. Round 2 of getting Coke and we're getting ice. And we've got the food that they're gonna put inside the meadows. Okay, I'm going back home to wash these and also to change into Indian clothes because obviously it's Eid. Let's go. And the food is here, so I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna set it up. Apparently, being an event rep also includes washing stuff like this. Guys, I'm just washing this and then I'm gonna wash that. Outfit check. Eid outfit. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Now I'm going to the meadows again. All the setup is done. Let me show you. Okay, all the food is set up. And there's a lot of extra food over here and then there. And then these are all the cooks. And there is the ice, I don't know. And they're just setting up the extra food. Naan, chicken jalfrezi, chicken biryani, paneer butter masala and everything. So since I'm an organizer, I have already taken food. So I'm gonna, okay, this actually worked. There's Coke and then there's ice in it. I'm still eating food. It's been 45 minutes. Shuli is here. Munch, you're refilling all of this. And this happened. This much saman is literally left, so everyone is just going to take them home. This is Amit.
I have over.
Yeah, so chicken biryani comes first. Basically, there's too much food left and they've come to pick it up. And so we're just putting it in glasses to take.
सच कह रहा तेरी कसम तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे कभी दम.
Going back home now. It's 2 minutes past my bedtime. But it was great. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I genuinely appreciate your time. And I hope you have a great day ahead. So bye-bye. Wait. Oh my god. I wrote fierce and then now it just looks scary. But never mind.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.